Everybody, I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. This is episode 2, and I hope you enjoy. Okay. Player's tip. Some hoverboards have upgrades that make them faster. I did not know that. Look at, I think her name's Kate. What is she wearing? Music. Ooh, okay. I remember last time it was really laggy, but it's getting a little better. My top run is 4,500 or whatever is it now, and I'm gonna try to beat it. Oof. I don't really know what much to say. Oh, D. Oh, don't. Wait, dodge. Oh, I didn't dodge that. Nope, I definitely did not dodge that. Okay. For next video, I'm gonna plug in a headset. What? Oh, Sorry, people. I have no clue what happened. It just, stopped. I hope it doesn't happen again. If it does, I might have to stop. Wow, my videos are so short. My last video was 6 minutes long. So I'm going to be making a series. Because I like making series. I don't know why. I played a little bit of Roblox. I'm going to be playing some more of that. Yeah, I dodged it. Get it? No? Oh. Okay. God damn it. Ooh. Ooh. Nope. What are you talking about? I didn't die. No way. Yeah, I died there. Okay, play. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We can win this. Yep. Ooh. I'm just making noises. I have no clue what to say. Okay, for the goal of this video, I'm going to try to get one more word. And hopefully, Subway Surfers doesn't stop again. Make sure to go subscribe to my friend, Crazy Monster. Wait, no, Crazy Space Monster 16. There was a letter. I'm dead. Okay. I need this. I need this. I need this. I need this. Ooh, magnet. Yes. This is so laggy. Oh my god. I'm not saving myself. And I saw a word. I mean a letter. Ooh, I'll be lucky if I got a word. When I swipe, it's late. I don't know why. Sometimes it's not. Right now it's not. Ouch. The dog looks like he's gonna bite my balls off. Don't mess with that dog. God damn it. I dropped my phone. So I'm going to be playing this game till 7 minutes. I need a lot of coins. I don't know why. I just feel like I missed that so I could get this last letter. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No! It's gonna stop, Ian. I just know it. I know it. Oh. Should I double up? Yep, I'm gonna double up. Just pause this real quick. What happened? Uh-oh. A black screen. I'm gonna pause this. Okay. I'm back where I was. What? I can't even move. Oh, I'm done. I'm freaking done. Okay, I'm gonna leave this episode here because my phone is being bad. Hope you enjoyed it. Go subscribe to my channel, like all my videos, and comment down below. And I'm probably gonna comment back because I have no friends. Good. Bye.